Hello everyone, welcome to Programming Cradle. Today in this video, I'll tell you what are my thoughts on postgraduate diploma in machine learning and artificial intelligence course offered by Applied AI course in collaboration with University of Hyderabad. So many of you asked me which course to choose, Applied AI machine learning course or this PG diploma course. So I'll just tell you what are the differences between these two courses, and based on that you can make your own decision, because at the end of the day it should be your decision. I can give you suggestions and I can guide you in the right direction, but the decision should be yours. So yeah, this is the page, and here you can get almost all the information, and I'll try to just walk you through some of the important details about this course. So as you can see, this course is of 12 months and it is divided into 2 semesters, and also here you can see it is a 300 plus hours of video content in this course. So there will be a lot of learning in this course obviously, and also there are some interactive sessions as well, so probably here they will clear your doubts and everything. And also you will have 15 plus industry projects, so when you will do these projects you will get good amount of hands-on experience. And the fees is also very attractive. It's 39,000 per semester. We'll talk about fees at the end of this video in depth, and also if you want to see how the application process is done, you can watch this video. And also if you want to see other introduction about this course, you can watch this video as well. And also you can download the brochure from this link. And also the first batch application is ending on November 30, so there isn't much time. So if you are considering this course, you should definitely submit your form. And now let's see who this course is for. So if you are someone who is in college, or if you are someone who is just trying to get into machine learning or artificial intelligence or data science in general, you can choose this course. Like I told you, it has 300 plus hours of course video content, so you will learn good amount of things. And these are some of the things that they have mentioned here. You will learn all these things. We'll see this in this video in the whole semester wise breakdown of this course. And let me tell you something about University of Hyderabad. Even before this course was launched, way before this course was launched, previously I was preparing for GATE, so I wanted to do MTech in artificial intelligence or machine learning or data science. So I was looking for some of the universities in India who are offering these kind of courses, and that time I got to know about University of Hyderabad and I saw their course structure, and it was really very good. And also they have been teaching artificial intelligence for a very long time, so the faculty is very experienced in this department, and they are carrying out many good artificial intelligence or machine learning related research work. So of course they have very good knowledge, so whatever they will teach you or the learning which you will gain from this course, it will be of very high quality. And also this course is approved by a UGC, so that is again a good thing. It will look really good on your resume. Now there are some of the program features mentioned here. You can just pause the video and you can read. The one important thing is you will get the University of Hyderabad alumni status, so that is a very good thing. Now let's see syllabus, what all you will learn in this course. So as I told you, this course is divided into 2 semesters. In first semester you will have 3 subjects. So the first subject is Essentials of AI. In this you will learn Python, SQL, linear algebra and basic probability. So this is actually essential as the name suggests. And data analysis and visualization. So here you will learn probability, statistics for data analysis, dimensionality reduction, and visualizing high dimensional data, which is again a very important aspect of machine learning or data science. And the third subject is machine learning itself. where you will learn calculus and numerical optimizations and classification, regression and clustering algorithms. And now let's move on to the second semester. So here you will learn advanced machine learning like recommender systems and matrix factorization, neural networks, multi-layer perceptrons, advanced optimization methods. And in subject 2 you will learn deep learning. So in deep learning you will have CNN, RNN, transformers and TensorFlow. And at the end you will have your thesis project, which will give you practical knowledge when you will work on your research oriented thesis or industry oriented thesis. So all in all there will be 38 credit just like you have in your university. So based on this you will have your grading and it is like the result which you will get or the certificate which you will get, it will mention you got first class or second class, something like that. So it is as per the UGC guidelines, so you can check that, but I think that should not be the concern as of now, because once you will go through the course and you will give exams, you will get to know what your grading would be. And if you do and if you learn things properly, surely you can get good marks. And there are some industry projects, and all these projects are in applied AI machine learning course as well, like Quora question similarity, Netflix movie recommendation system, and fashion discovery engine, Stack Overflow tag prediction, then Facebook recommender system, NYC taxi prediction, and then cancer. I don't remember these two case studies, but maybe these are new here, and now autonomous car. So apart from these two, I think all other case studies are there in machine learning course as well. And some of the assistance that you get from applied roots career is like you will get a placement cell. So they say they have 200 plus hiring partners. So if you complete this course, I think you will be able to get job in data science, machine learning or AI. And they also provide mentorship, so they will help you making your portfolio, and also they will help you in your resume. These are some of the learning outcomes, and the jobs which you can get as a data analyst or data scientist, machine learning engineer, AI engineer, computer vision engineer, NLP engineer or data analytics consultant. And these are some of the companies. There are many other companies, but they have mentioned some of the known companies here. So they are their hiring partner, or the alumni of this course work in these companies. And the eligibility criteria for this course is you should have had taken maths in your 10+2, and you should have any bachelor's degree. They have mentioned all these degrees. You can also have master's degree as well. So if you have any of these degrees, you can join this course. Now let's talk about fees, which is one of the most important aspect of any course. So if you are an Indian national, it is 78,000 rupees. And in my opinion, considering the reputation of University of Hyderabad and the teaching quality of applied AI course, this is truly value for money, because before joining applied AI course, I was considering some of the PG diploma courses, but they were starting from 1,50,000 to all the way up to 6 lakh. And in my opinion, they were really costly, and I didn't want to spend that much money. So I decided to go for applied AI course, which is 30,000, including your GST. So that time this course was not there, obviously. So I decided to go for applied AI machine learning course. And if you are paying 78,000, I am definitely confident that this is value for money, because it will look really good on your resume. And the amount of knowledge that you will gain from the professors and industry experts and applied AI team, that will be really good, and you will be able to do any kind of machine learning projects on your own, and you can make a good career in this field. And if you are NRI, you will have to pay 1,56,000, and if you are foreign national, so you will have to pay 3,000 USD. And these pricing of the course or the fees of the course is based on the UGC guidelines. Now let's talk about which course you should choose, Applied AI Machine Learning course or PG Diploma course. So the fee difference is really high. It is almost 48,000 rupees. So it is a considerable amount of money. So if you are someone who doesn't mind paying 78,000, you can surely go for this course, because first of all, the value of the certification will be more than Applied AI Machine Learning course, and you will learn from various kind of instructors like faculty from University of Hyderabad, industry expert, and also from Applied AI team. And I'm not saying that the teaching is bad in Applied AI course Machine Learning. It is phenomenal, because I haven't seen any educator teaching better than Shrikant Verma sir. So of course there won't be any what should I say, the quality of the teaching is not bad. I won't say, I should not even use this word actually, because I thoroughly enjoyed learning from Applied AI Machine Learning course, and I have gained a good amount of knowledge, and the assignments there as well are really very good. And as I mentioned, most of the case studies from here are there in the ML course of Applied AI team as well. So in terms of learning, I don't think there will be much of a difference. Fees is one of the major factor here, and also the value of the certificate. So these two things, if money is not a problem, you can surely go for this PG Diploma course. And if you are tight on budget, but still if you want to learn from a very quality content and good educator, you can go for Applied AI Machine Learning course. So this was my opinion on this course, and also Applied AI Machine Learning course is for everybody. Like if you want to join that course, you should simply go to the website and you can enroll for the course. But here your application will go through several stages, and they will choose students based on your profile. So if you have applied for this PG Diploma course, it's not certain that you will get seat in this program. But if you sign up for Applied AI Machine Learning course, you can continue learning as soon as you pay the fee. So these were the differences. And if you still have some of the questions, here are some of the FAQs you can read here. And if still you are not clear, you can always post your comments in the comment section. I will try to answer your questions. And if you haven't downloaded data science notes as of now, you can download data science notes. Link will be in the description, and also you can join Telegram group where everybody is helping each other in learning. And you can subscribe to the channel for more such videos, and see you in the next video. Bye. Happy learning.